Sige po, Doc. Okay po, Doc. May I present to you my research with the title of Work Environment and Motivations as Influencer of Work Performance of Millennial Employees. The problematic scenarios and gap of the studies, millennial employees frequently strive for purpose and satisfaction in their job. They expect to prepare positions that align with their values and allow them to make important contributions. However, the level of involvement and productivity declines once these expectations are not fulfilled. The low commitment and a decline in employee performance negatively impact the organization performance. Other studies were focused on determining the work performance of millennials employees. However, the researchers did not find a study that dealt with the three variables, especially related to millennials employees and hotel in Tagum City. The study could fill the gaps in existing literatures and better understand the nature of relationship among the three variables involved in the study. Research could further discover some insights regarding these variables. The findings could assist firms in improving their strategy to enhance the performance of their millennial workforce. The statement of the problem, the study aimed to determine how work environment and motivation influence the work performance of millennial employees in selected hotel in Tagum City. What is the status of work performance of millennial employees in terms of task performance, contextual performance, and productive work behavior? What is the work environment of millennials employees in terms of physical work environment, psychological work environment, social work environment, and administrative work environment? What is the level of motivations of millennials employees in terms of intrinsic motivation and extrinsic motivation? A significant relationship between work environment and work performance, and motivation and work performance. The work environment and motivation significantly influence work performance. The method sampling respondents and locale. The study utilized descriptive correlational design. Purposive sampling was employed
Ma'am Charlene,
for participants.
interrupt you, Ma'am Charlene. Can you move your PowerPoint to the next slide?
Yes, po, Doc.
Yeah.
The result of the status of performance, work performance, overall mean 4.19, which was described as satisfactory. The work performance of millennial is consistent with the conclusion of Popula et al. 2017 that the satisfactory work performance of millennials was because of the effective management organization viewing their employees as essential assets of attaining productivity, efficiency, and quality result. The level of work environment has the overall mean 4.47, which was very high. The company is committed to maintaining safe and healthy work environment while fostering positive and supportive atmosphere of all employees. This very favorable findings support the status of the study of Ajala 2015 that lighting, ventilation rates, access to natural lights, and acoustic environment contribute to workspace satisfaction and productivity of employees. The level of motivations, overall mean of 4.18, employee motivation manifested among the respondents. The result is in line with OMLUS 2015, which states that motivation is a key element of supports positive work processes and could contribute to success and long-term viability of organizations. The result of correlation between variables, the data reveals significant positive relationship between work environment and work performance. The organization must ensure that provide all necessary resources to create a work environment that supports their employee performance. Saidi et al. 2019 found the positive relationship between the work environment and employee performance. Motivations positively relates to work performance. This result conforms to the findings of Asia 2013, which indicated that incentives, motivation, and work conditions significantly affect employee performance. All the examined variables significantly influence work performance at p-value greater than 0.5. The findings indicate that both the work environment and motivation are vital factors influencing work performance, but the work environment has greater influence on employee performance. The study findings lead the following conclusion based on the research questions. The status of work performance assessed by the millennial employees high, which means satisfactory. This result denotes the high status of work performance consistently delivers high quality result and exceeds expectation. The work environment display a very high result. The findings implies the workplace is very favorable. The work environment is organized and encouraging. Likewise, the boosts employee morale, reduce stress, and improves job satisfaction. The level of motivation as assessed by millennial employees is high. This finding implies that it is manifested, which means millennials employees tend to innovate, work better, and develop a relationship with people from any area. Moreover, the correlation analysis revealed the significant positive relation between the work environment and millennials employees' motivation to work performance. The result designates the positive work environment and motivation can lead to an improvement in work performance. Additionally, the regression analysis findings shows the work environment, the motivation are significant factors that determine work performance. In particular, the work environment influence work performance more than the employee motivations. Next, based on the conclusions of the study, the following recommendations are proposed. The status of work performance shows satisfactory status. To further enhance, management may implement targeted intervention. Specifically, the management may regularly assess employee performance to recognize strengths and opportunities for growth. May establish the system that raises accountability, including scheduled performance evaluations and tools of tracking progress. Very high ratings in work environment highlight the company effectiveness and meeting employees' needs. To sustain and increase this, management may conduct quarterly feedback session to identify and address any emerging issues in work environment. Organization may adopt best practices such as providing ergonomic workspaces and maintaining open communication channels. And high level of work motivation among employees driven by rewards and recognitions provides an opportunity to further enhance through targeted initiatives. Hotel management may establish the structured employee recognition program featuring monthly awards of outstanding performance in specific areas such as customer service, teamwork, and innovation, complemented by tangible rewards like bonuses of additional time off. The study of work environment and motivation factors that influence work performance has some limitations. Excuse me. The factors considered may not be exhaustive or provide a clear understanding in the relationship. Thus, the future researchers are encouraged to investigate additional variables that may influence work performance, such as leadership style, organizational culture, and employment well-being. And once again, good day, Praise be Jesus and Marys.
Yeah, so thank you, Ma'am Charlene, for that wonderful presentation. Okay, so before so we were not able to see your PowerPoint. At least we heard your golden voice for the presentation.
Wala, Judo? Sorry.
Yes, that's why I asked you a while back, move to the next slide. But anyway, nakasurvive na tayo. Okay? May I ask
Thank
from the
you.
group if they have questions to Ma'am Charlene? Okay, so Ma'am, I have a question. Okay,
Yes po, Doc.
now what specific aspects of work environment most significantly impact the motivation levels of millennial employees, and how do this in turn affect their performance?
Pardon, Doc.
Yeah, what
Mm,
may I repeat the question po, ma'am?
yes,
What
yes
is
po, Doc.
aspects of work environment most significantly impact the motivational levels of these millennial employees, and in turn, how did it affect their performance?
Okay, Doc. Actually, millennials, Doc, highlight the importance of creating a positive work environment and fostering employment motivations and promoting productivity of millennials employee. By applying this insight, organization can improve employee well-being and enhance performance of millennials and achieve long-term success of the organizations.
So thank you, ma'am, for the answer. Okay. So I think that's the last
Yes po,
presenter
Doc.
for this
Yes po.
afternoon. Ay, meron pa po pala, okay?
Sige po, Doc.
This is Tina. May I just read the question? Is there
Yes
an
po, Doc.
intervention program created for this study? And if yes, how it will be implemented? If not yet, what's your proposed intervention plan?
Intervention.
Yes, ma'am. Do you have an intervention program already, ma'am? After you have conducted the study, meron na po ba kayong mga intervention programs based on the results of the study? Or if not, do you have plans of proposing such intervention?
Doc, for future studies, Doc, we employ the mixed method approach for combining quantitative data with insight of the deeper understanding of the work performance of millennials.
Based on the results, ma'am, meron naman kayong mga intervention program na ginagawa dun sa for instance, yung sa performance of the millennial employees na assuming that's poor or bad, may mga intervention programs na ba na gagawin, ginawa or gagawin? That's the question from Ma'am Sheena lang.
For the performance of millennials, we as are recommended by the result and the conclusion, siguro, Doc, may conduct binual training program for fostering supported inclusive workplace culture with modules on conflict resolutions and collaborative problem solvings and communication skills. Improve the work performance of the millennials, or the other hand, the intervention.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, so I think that's the most actually the very good intervention programs for to address any issue that have been that which resulted from your study or from your results. Okay, so once again, thank you, ma'am.
Doc. Thank you.
Thank you, Ma'am Charlene, for that wonderful presentation. So may we give Ma'am Charlene a virtual round of applause. Okay, so I think we are all done with the presentations this afternoon. So